Okay, so no hiking today?
No, there is hiking.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, all right. Okay, that laugh gets me worried.
Yeah, because I've been out here once before, and the terrain is not so easy because there's been floods, there was fires.
Okay.
So this place was closed a year ago. This is about an activity.
Okay, cool.
So,
right. No different this time?
Do you have any idea what you would do in a river in California?
Fish.
No, there's no fish.
Okay.
No fish. In fact, I didn't see any animals at all. There's birds around.
You're not picking up worms and shit, are you?
No.
Okay, I have a problem with like worms and
You have a problem with worms.
picking up cockroaches and anything like that. Is it any bug related?
No, there's no. There's no river of cockroaches.
Okay, good. So we're hiking, and you laughed. I'm bringing wellies. There's some kind of river.
Yeah.
And it's not relating with bugs.
And you saw how much I put in the back of the car. Was like
Yes,
3 or 4 bags of things.
I wasn't too sure if that was gifts for me.
So you don't have an idea?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll leave it there.
Oh, okay.
We'll leave it there.
Because this is probably about to fall off in about 10 seconds. If you needed to get anything out that was important.
No, we'll be fine.
Okay. Well, we'll see you guys later. Enjoying it?
Yeah, I am.
Good. $4.99 that cost me.
Despite the fact you paid for it and you won't let me forget it.
I feel like we're going camping.
Yeah, except we're not. Now, you must have noticed, like, what's attached to my backpack. So what do you think we're doing?
I think I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Today, I promise you, we're going to find gold.
That's what I thought. Okay. Which is funny, because when we drove up, I thought, I wonder if it's something with gold. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, they've been mining this place since like 1850, so most of it's probably gone. But yeah, I think we're going to find some gold today.
Well, one of my favorite movies is The Gold Rush with Charlie Chaplin. So,
I don't know it. Is it new?
Yeah, it's great. Yeah. It's fairly new. All right, let's go.
Legally, we can pan for gold here. Isn't that stunning?
Now, I did do some bodyboarding, surfing once in Malibu, and my friend gave me a wetsuit, and I went to the bathroom, came out, and he goes, yeah, this is going to be a lot harder than I thought to teach you, because I had put the wetsuit on the wrong way around. I thought the zipper went in the front. But apparently not. No.
Definitely Southern California here. And this looks like Colorado over there. You see the size that the river used to be? And a lot of these boulders probably weren't pushed there by the current. Mining has taken place here since 1850. So what we might find today
because no one else has been.
Won't be an awful lot, but we'll see. The whole purpose of today is to find out if absolute amateurs can find gold.
Yeah.
Can you be an idiot and find gold? Now, the thing is, we are on national forest land. So you can pan for gold here.
You mean, legally?
Legally.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the problem, especially in California, is somebody has a claim on most land. You can still find a place to make a claim, but it's going to be in the desert.
What's right here?
I think that's a bottle cap.
No, I think we may have found our first. Yeah, is that Dos Equis? What is that? Did you bring your girlfriend's Crocs?
This is all they had.
Wait until I get my wellies out. There you go, here's a map.
So we started here. We're going to be heading to around here.
Yeah, to Bridge to Nowhere.
Yeah,
Up the spot.
about halfway. So a couple of miles.
Great.
It's going to be slower going than you think. Yeah, from now on, we're going to be at the level of the river, if not in it. The first problem. So I
So we're not going that
think we
way,
got to go this way.
Oh, Struth.
I have a degree in archaeology, which means I'm great at finding nothing. This is stunning though. But basically the inside bends of the river, any place the water goes from fast to slow, it loses that kinetic energy and will drop the heaviest materials.
Okay.
Gold will be 5 times heavier than anything else in this river. So that's how we're gonna find it, hopefully.
Oh, this is way sketchy.
Well, this is why I told you that whatever you're carrying with you, don't have it on a bag hanging from your side. It'll throw you off.
One of these kind
Hold
of
on,
bushes.
Okay, so if anything does happen, this will tell us where we're going anyway. But if you need to call for help, you pull back the SOS button and hold the button down.
Okay. So if you fall down the mountain with
Well,
that, I got to come down the mountain to get it.
The falling is pretty limited here, I would say. But just in case, because for the last 15 miles, there's no phone service, and there won't be any further up. So basically, I figure the harder you have to work for it, the more you're likely to find it. I guess this is the route. If you are hiking here, it's listed, I think, by the National Forest, like no dogs, no children, and no beginners. Because
Well, I'm the beginner.
it's easy to make a wrong step. You remember I said we
yeah.
needed a way to cross? We just found a way. But this is the first spot we're going to try. So this is the mini sluice. I'm not sure I have much faith in it. These V-shaped ripples at the bottom mat. Hopefully that will catch the heaviest materials. What have we got here? Little snifter bottle to pick up any flecks from the pan.
Okay.
And a magnet, because the gold is most likely found with black sand, and that could be iron, magnetite. So we're going to use a magnet tool to remove the magnetic objects from the pan once we've panned it down a little way.
Okay.
Remember I said the other day I needed a mini shovel? Well, I found one.
Oh, yeah.
Amazon, $10. And it also acts like a pickaxe as well, if need be. You know, I never actually stopped and looked around at where we are.
Well, I'm doing my bit with the gold. What are you doing? I'm finding gold here. You're just sitting there. Get your
You
pan
haven't
handy.
even moved any dirt. I also think if you look behind you, on the other side of that boulder, around that boulder, I think that's worth a look.
Looking for what? What am I looking for?
Gold. So just basically dig into the sands here,
Right.
move the rocks out of your way, and then tip the material into the sluice box.
Okay. So what are you trying to do here? How's that different to what I was doing?
Well, you're using the sluice, which is here. I'm going to be panning. So I'm looking for gravels around large boulders in slower flowing water where the gold might have been dropped. You might think the heavier material might wash away, but it shouldn't do. Probably a little bit of quartz. But there's nothing too important in here, so that we can ditch. And we have these ridges, which are actually more than 90 degrees, so that will also stop anything heavy getting out of the pan. We shake it this way to stratify it, to get the heaviest material to the bottom. So we don't,
how are you not losing? Just say you had some gold in there. How are you not just losing it by it falling out?
Because it would be at least 5 times heavier than anything else in this pan. So these ridges here would be catching it.
Oh, okay.
So I can put this pan in the water at an angle like this.
Oh, I see.
And it should still hold it. Now, you don't want a pan with the river coming into the pan because that's going to increase the likelihood of something being pushed out. But going this way, only the lightest material should be coming off now. Now, we can start tapping. I only learned this stuff like yesterday. So that should take the heavier materials down to the ridge on the edge of the pan there. We can try and pull the lighter materials to the back of the pan. Do you see it? No, do you see it?
Do I see the gold?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
On this side.
The white stuff?
There's another fleck there.
So drop this into?
Yeah. Flip it over and do the same thing, yeah. Down, up and back.
Oh, like that? Okay, you're right.
Yep, that's it.
But what's that doing?
That should be taking the lighter material off the pan. You have gold, by the way, I can see it.
Well, because I'm a professional.
Now get the heavy stuff to the front. That's it. You can be more aggressive, see? Still nothing is leaving this pan. Oh no, you got a piece right there.
You right there?
Yep.
Okay, well that was good. So it sounds like I found more gold than you.
Yes, you found more than me.
More than me.
So the mini sluice thing actually seemed like it worked.
Yeah, there's a couple of pieces in there.
I think like 5 or 6.
Yeah.
You know, it flex, but we found gold.
Yeah.
Both of us in our first pan.
Not bad. The worst thing is now, can we make it past this little... It looks simple on camera,
I think it's deeper than we think.
No, I think it is too.
I think it's better to stand back and keep the rope tighter.
Yeah. Absolutely frightening. See, he's got 2 hands. I got 1. Whew. Let's see if these British wellies hold out. I got this. You don't think the gold's going to fall away?
No.
Okay.
No, it should be heavy enough that it will go into the bottom pan.
Oh wow, okay, yeah.
Let's just grab that before it washes away. You didn't bring one of these?
No, it doesn't look like we can share it.
No, this is for me. It's sinking. Oh. That is not bad. It's not a bad view either. You brought lunch with you, right?
No.
Oh, I did. I'm going to get it now.
What did you get? Something to share, I hope.
You feel it?
Yeah, it doesn't weigh anything.
It's titanium.
Could have just got a plastic one.
No, this is reusable. Wait a minute.
What?
What? No,
Oh.
no, it's fine. No.
Has a taste, funny taste to it, but it's probably the filtered taste. I don't want to rely on that it really did filter it.
No. It's not that. It's fine. It's this had the vitamin
Oh, okay, right.
mixture in it before, so
You
that's
didn't-
why
you didn't mix it. You didn't
you're
mix
getting
it.
you're getting a faint trace of orange flavor.
But I'm allergic to orange, so
Yeah, I just realized that.
perfect.
It's more efficient. How amazing is this? And in theory, if there's a gold deposit up there, all this kinetic energy of the waterfall brings it right down here, water slows down, gold drops. But it's probably been mined for 150 years. But let's see. Definitely a different material never seen in the river. Check and see if we have anything interesting. A lot of magnetic material.
Whew, what a day.
So, I think we've proved, in a very poor way, admittedly.
Not to wear these kind of shoes, number one.
Well, no, not that. That complete amateurs can find gold.
Well,
I think we've done all right.
me namely.
We're not passing the worst toilet in California.
I mean, it's not the worst. I've seen worse. They had toilet roll in there.
Neither toilet has a working handle.
Well, no, it's a pit toilet. You just.
No, but they did have handles and locks at some
Oh.
point, but they don't anymore, which is a bit odd. So would you do it again?
Yeah, not immediately.
Why not?
Well, I've done it now. You know what I mean? I've ticked it off my bucket list.
Okay.
No, I don't mean that in a bad way, but I mean it's very relaxing. It's like fishing. Not that I've ever fished, but I imagine it being very much the same.
But I think we should definitely come back.
Well, we need to go to the end.
We need to go to the bridge to nowhere.
Yeah, just make that a whole.
That's 4.2 miles.
Yeah.
which was a road. It's a bridge that was built and the road effectively washed away, and they never rebuilt it.
Yeah, it's crazy.
1932, I think the bridge is. But yeah, we definitely want to get up there, and I have heard that the best gold is past the bridge. This whole area has a lot to offer. I mean, look at the view back that way. Look how wide this river used to be.